Meaning of dramedy.
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 Dramedy. The term dramedy is a combination of the words drama and comedy. It refers to a genre of storytelling that blends both serious and humorous elements to create a unique tone and emotional experience. Dramedies typically tackle complex and sensitive issues such as relationships, mental health, and societal norms with a lighthearted touch. This genre has become increasingly popular in recent years, with shows like Orange is the New Black and Crazy Ex-Girlfriend gaining critical acclaim for their innovative and nuanced storytelling. Overall, dramedies offer a compelling and entertaining way to explore complex themes while still maintaining a sense of levity.